Realtors are losing thousands of dollars because their listing photos look empty, outdated, or straight up depressing. And the crazy part is that you can fix this in minutes with AI and charge them $1,000 plus per listing. Now, most homes are actually great, but empty rooms don't trigger any emotion. And every time a buyer scrolls past a cold, unstaged photo on Zillow or Realtor.com, that listing gets fewer clicks, fewer showings, and ends up sitting on the market longer. Now, with AI, you can take existing listing photos, even of completely empty or outdated, messy rooms, reimagine them with modern furniture, luxury styles, and perfect lighting, and turn them into magazine-level staging photos without ever stepping inside the house. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built an app that lets realtors upload room photos, choose a staging style, and instantly generate fully staged images. Then I'm going to show you how to sell this to agents who already spend money on photography and staging, and how to package this into a $2,000 offer with recurring revenue so you get paid every single month. Now, if you've been looking for a simple AI service that you can sell today without a physical presence, logistics, or being technical, then this might be the cleanest opportunity of 2026. So to explain to you what I mean, if you've ever bought or sold a house, you know that when you're browsing the listing, there's a bunch of different pictures. So for example, if I open this one up, you can see here that these are beautifully staged photos, meaning that a designer came in, put all this furniture in here, got a professional photographer to get all of these photos taken. Now, this might not be our ideal client because this is an ultra luxury home. So this is north of $30 million, right? But let me show you how much they actually spend on staging. So you can search, how much does a realtor spend on house staging? And if you check Google, you can see that this can go all the way up to $10,000 for fully vacant homes, and anywhere between $2,000 to $7,000, plus all the logistics, coordinating photographers, and all the effort that goes into it. So we're going to solve this entire problem for them. Now, this is not our ideal target market. We do not want to go after these ultra luxury homes because they can simply afford it. Nor are we going to go after the agents on the lower side of the spectrum because they just won't be able to afford it. So the sweet spot is anywhere between 1 to 3 million. So if I put that in, of course, you can adjust this for your area as well. So now this is the sweet spot here. So now we've got these decent homes. So if I open this one up right here, now I picked a perfect example here because these photos are awful. They're dark, they're dingy, they don't look good. You can see here that they didn't buy good furniture, good painting, good art. This is very low effort. These are actually patio chairs that they've put inside of the living room. So this is something that needs a serious makeover, and it's perfect for the example that we're going to take. So let me take this living room photo right here. I'm going to do save image, and let me show you exactly what I built. So inside of Gemini 3, I built Staged AI, which is simply just a tool that creates perfect staged photos. So all you have to do is upload a listing photo right here, put in the photo that we just downloaded. I'm going to show you exactly how to build this for yourself as well. So you can upload it right here. Now from here, you can pick the different style that you want for the staging. Modern, rustic, industrial. I'm going to go with luxury, and then you can do render virtual staging. Now what's going to happen is the app is just going to process it, and you're going to see exactly what that outcome looks like. Perfect, and there you go. So you can see the difference right here. So it's the exact same room. Nothing has changed there. AI was able to pick up the exact placement of the floors, the fireplace that they have, the curtains, everything is the exact same. So we're not being disingenuous. All that we've changed is the furniture. So we've put in these luxury items here, and the room looks far better. The lighting looks better. They've added a lamp. The shadows are done correctly. And you can see that this looks far better, right? So what we can do now is we can download this photo that we have here, and then I want to go back to the listing right here. Next, to actually be able to sell this, what we're going to do is find the listing agent, the broker of record. And his name is Paul Hubert. So I'm going to put in there, likely has an Instagram or a website or some way to get in touch with him. He might even have a YouTube channel. So if I scroll down, I don't know exactly what he looks like. I think he's this person right here. So I'd open up any links that have him there. And perfect, we've got his phone number and we've got his website and his email. So what I would do is I would draft an email with the downloaded image that we have and say, hey, what's his name? I'd say, hey, Paul, I saw that you had a listing over at 467 Richmond Street. I noticed that the photos didn't look the best. It seems like maybe the stager that you hired didn't do the best job. I took the liberty of actually updating those photos for you because I'm an AI, photo enhancer or AI photographer, anything how you want to spin it. And then what we're going to do is something called the drug dealer method. Now, what the drug dealer method is how do drug dealers actually sell their product? Well, what they do is they give you a sample. They give you a hit. They let you try it out. So then you get addicted to it. You feel that experience, and then you come back wanting more, willing to pay for it. So what we're going to do is send him maybe 2 or 3 photos of this actual property and attach it there and say, look, I took the liberty, I just built these for you free of cost. Look at what we do. And then you can actually include the side-by-side comparison. So this is what it was before, this is what it was after. You can say, hey, I don't, mess with the integrity of the house. This is not disingenuous. I'm not changing anything about the home itself. All we're doing is better staging, better furniture, better lighting, better photography. Here's some examples. Feel free to upload them yourself. If you're interested in getting the full set for this property, feel free to reply back to this email. Let me know if you're interested, and I'm more than happy to set you up that way. Now they get a taste of it. They see your value. They know that you're not just a BSer because you've actually proven that you can do it, and now they're far more likely to actually work with you. And there are infinite examples of this. In Toronto alone, I mean, we are in a pretty bad market where houses are not selling. So differentiation like this is going to help a lot. Plus, it's going to cost him a fraction of what it did to hire a photographer for these shitty photos anywhere to begin with. So let me quickly show you how we can actually build an app like this. It's very simple. Just go to Google, search AI Studio, and then go to the first link. Create an account for yourself, and here where it says describe your idea, all you have to do is, I built this with one prompt. So all I did is take this prompt right here, I pasted it right there, and it basically spat this out for me. I did some tweaks and refinements to get it the way that I want, but then I had this app built in like literally 5 minutes. Now I can use this app to actually go perform this for realtors and actually get this made for them. So this is a fantastic example of using Gemini 3 to vibe code a tool for yourself to actually provide a service that helps businesses out. So that's exactly how I set it up. If you want this exact prompt, if you can't be bothered to just read it from here, I have it listed inside of my free school community, which you can get at school.com/automate. The link will be in the description as well. And if you're serious about starting an AI business, so not just this one specifically, but if you want to build a proper business where you help businesses make more money using AI with, this might be one idea out of 50 that I have that you can offer businesses, then you can head over to what I just mentioned, school.com/automate, which is going to take you to Hamza's automation incubator. Then in the classroom section, I've got a 100% free course going from day 0 to day 5, showing you exactly how you can start a business, from the introduction to picking your niche, to actually building your company, building your portfolio like what we just did here today, getting appointments and sales, how to actually get inbound leads coming to you. So the same way that we did this, if you start making content and if you start sharing this with the right people, you're going to get referrals coming in constantly. And then from there, once you've closed the deal, what do you do from there? So everything is covered for you inside of here. And you can actually speak to me directly. You can message me, you can post any questions you have on the forum, and we are here to support you. We currently have almost 44,000 people inside this group. So I'm super excited for you to try this out yourself. If you have any questions, let me know. But this is a killer opportunity for you. So I'll see you in the next one.